Welcome to Review Lab. The best gadgets is probably one of the most exciting categories to explore when it comes to enhancing our daily lives, offering innovative solutions and cutting-edge technology designed to simplify tasks, boost productivity, and provide unparalleled entertainment. From smart home devices that automate your living space to personal tech that keeps you connected and entertained on the go, the world of adult gadgets is constantly evolving, presenting a dazzling array of options that cater to every need and desire, making it a thrilling journey to discover what's new and what's next in the realm of consumer electronics. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds with our advanced technology. It comes pre-calibrated, but you can easily recalibrate it if needed for perfect results every time. This digital thermometer is your go-to tool for everything from grilling and baking to making candy or deep frying. Use it for meats, liquids, and in various appliances like ovens, grills, and kitchens. The large, bright blue backlight display ensures you can easily read the temperature, even when grilling in the dark or working in a dimly lit kitchen. It's a must-have grilling accessory. Designed for convenience, this cooking thermometer is IP67 water resistant. You can simply wash it under running water, making cleanup a breeze after any cooking task. Packaged in an elegant box, this makes an ideal gift for anyone who loves to cook or grill. It's the perfect food thermometer for all your culinary adventures. What we like. Get precise temperature readings in seconds with this instant read thermometer. Its highly accurate technology and water-resistant design make it perfect for any cooking task. If you're a grill master or a home baker who demands accuracy and durability, this is the tool for you. What people say. The backlit display makes it easy to read at night. The magnetic case makes it helpful to keep from dropping. It works fast. It's accurate. It's heavy-duty and will last us much longer than the other one did. The screen is large and easy to read. This thermometer works fast and gives clear, accurate readings every time. It's super simple to use and makes cooking meat a lot less guesswork. The display is easy to read, and it feels sturdy enough for regular use. Number 4. Jteman 2-in-1 Bluetooth Speaker and Phone Stand. Introducing the Jteman, a versatile gadget that combines a hands-free phone holder with a powerful Bluetooth speaker. Free your hands and enjoy louder, clearer sound for all your audio needs. Its enhanced speaker, complete with a built-in microphone, makes conversations and audio more intelligible, especially for the elderly. This makes it a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone. This device is designed for broad usability, fitting most smartphones and 7 to 10-inch tablets. Ensure your device is no thicker than 0.59 inches, or remove its case for a secure fit. Easily adjust it to multiple viewing angles for watching videos or making calls. Its compact, foldable design makes it portable and space-saving for any desk. Designed for daily use, it features a sturdy, weighted base and non-slip pads. This ensures your device stays firmly in place, protected from scratches and accidental drops. Simple and easy to use, this makes an ideal gift for any occasion. It's a great choice for birthdays, holidays, and anniversaries for him or her. What we like. Enjoy your content hands-free with this versatile phone stand and Bluetooth speaker combo. It offers multiple viewing angles and a stable, anti-slip base for secure placement. If you love watching videos, taking calls, or listening to music while keeping your hands free, this gadget is a must-have. What people say. It holds tablets and phones securely at different angles, making it perfect for cooking in the kitchen, working at a desk, or watching videos hands-free. The built-in wireless Bluetooth speaker delivers clear sound, and the charging station feature is very convenient for keeping devices powered. Nice solid stable stand. Using with smartphone and sound quality very good. This speaker was a nice addition to being able to have a phone holder and a speaker in one. It's been nice because the volume is a nice increase. I do not have to have my phone at the full for me to hear it. The grippers on the back and fold-out bottom. That actually works at holding my phone in place. The holding part folds away, and it goes down relatively flat so you can store it away for travel. The part that holds the phone moves up and down and at an forward angle, which has come in handy when I needed to do something on my phone, but didn't want to have to pick it up to do it. Number 3. PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves. Tired of fumbling in the dark? These gloves provide bright, hands-free light exactly where you need it, making any task easier. Looking for a unique gift? These are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because, especially for those who seem to have it all. Whether you're fishing at dusk, working on your car, or sewing, these gloves illuminate your work area, freeing up your hands. Made with stretchy fabric and adjustable straps, they fit most hands comfortably, providing a secure and practical solution. Built for both indoor and outdoor use, these waterproof gloves are ready for any adventure, from camping to grilling in the dark. Perfect for dog walking, camping, or emergency situations, they ensure you can see clearly without needing a separate flashlight. What we like. Illuminate your tasks with these innovative LED flashlight gloves, providing hands-free light exactly where you need it. Made with stretchy, waterproof material, they fit most hand sizes comfortably. If you often find yourself working in dark or tight spaces, whether for DIY projects, car repairs, or outdoor activities, these gloves are incredibly useful. What people say. The built-in LED lights provide bright, focused illumination exactly where your fingers are pointing, which makes tasks like car repairs or working in tight, dark spaces so much easier. The gloves are lightweight, comfortable, and fit well thanks to the adjustable straps. The lights and switch are removable, to allow for cleaning the fabric glove. Number 2. Elikliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000x EDM4. Enjoy a crisp 4.3-inch HD display that shows real-time images and videos. Its large screen design reduces eye and neck strain for comfortable viewing. This powerful magnifier lets you zoom in to see the finest details. Explore the microscopic world with impressive magnification capabilities. Easily connect it to your Windows or MacBook for a larger view on your computer. Share live images and save your findings for analysis. With 8 adjustable LED lights, you can achieve optimal illumination. This ensures clear and detailed observations, even in dimly lit environments. Perfect for inspecting circuit boards, coins, jewelry, and more. It's also a great educational tool for kids and useful for quality control. The height adjustable stand allows you to easily change the distance to your object. Find the perfect viewing angle and achieve precise focus for clearer images. Featuring a built-in rechargeable battery, it provides up to 3 hours of continuous use. Take it anywhere for exploration, indoors or outdoors. What we like. Explore the microscopic world with this digital microscope featuring a crisp 4.3-inch LCD screen and up to 1000x magnification. It offers clear visuals with adjustable LED lights and the ability to connect to a PC for a larger view. If you're interested in detailed inspection of coins, jewelry, circuit boards, or for educational purposes, this microscope provides an immersive experience. What people say. It provides very clear information on items with very small writing. The resolution is just enough, and there are settings to zoom in even more while maintaining clarity. Has sharp clear 4.3-inch color screen, takes pictures and videos. Number 1. Shocktato Party Game by Stormwired. Get ready for Shocktato, the electrifying party game that takes tossing games to a whole new level. It's designed for endless laughter and unforgettable moments. Choose from 3 thrilling modes: extreme for a heart-pounding challenge, normal for suspenseful fun, or lame for a music-only experience suitable for younger players. Simply turn it on, select your mode, and start passing it around. Watch as your friends react to the jolt and prepare for uncontrollable laughter. Looking for a unique gag gift or stocking stuffer? This is the perfect choice for teens and adults alike, guaranteeing a laugh-out-loud good time. Dare to try extreme mode? Select it, choose your target, and hit start for a prank that will have everyone in stitches. Share the hilarious shock with all your friends. This patented game is guaranteed to be a hit at any birthday party or social gathering. It's the ultimate icebreaker and a fantastic activity for everyone. What we like. Add some electrifying fun to your next gathering with this shocking potato party game. It features multiple game modes to suit different levels of thrill and a unique tossing mechanic. If you're looking for a guaranteed laugh and a memorable party activity that's suitable for teens and adults, this game is a fantastic choice. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great on any desk. It offers a wide range of features that are both useful and innovative. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.